Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jarrell, and in today's video we're going to be using and trying the new palette from Tarte. I'm so happy and thankful to my husband for getting it for me last night. So if you're interested in seeing a look with this palette, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like and of course subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and let's go ahead and get started. So here we have the Tarte Maneater After Dark eyeshadow palette. It does have a shelf life of 12 months. And here we have the inside of the palette. It is made in Taiwan, and right away this palette definitely calls fall. Like this really nice maroon, berry, green, gold shades, like they all look like fall in a palette. And I have not been into Tarte for a very long time. I used to review so many of their eyeshadow palettes back in the days, but I have not picked up anything from Tarte in a very long time. I could not help myself when it came to this palette just because the color story looks absolutely stunning, and I have not been excited for an eyeshadow palette. So I asked my husband if he could get it, and he was on his way back from work and he stopped by Ulta and he got it there. So really excited. Let's go ahead and try it. I am using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes. I'm going to be creating just one look for you guys. If you guys are interested in seeing more looks, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will definitely do that for you guys. I do have a series going on my channel of using one palette and creating two looks. If you guys are interested, I will once again create more looks for you guys. All right, we're going to start with a Desire, which is this really nice yellow shade, like mustardy shade, and I'm going to add that to my crease. And this is going to be our transition shade, so I do want this shade to peek through after adding the other shades. And it does have some kickback, so you want to make sure that you are tapping your brush or you do your eyeshadows first. And this is just from this first shadow, but based on the reviews that I watched, it does have some fallout, so you might want to be careful with that. So this shade is not super pigmented right from the start, but you can definitely build it up, as you can see. Using this shade Passion right here in a smaller brush, going to focus that on my crease from the outer corner to the inner corner, not going all the way in. And I'm taking Passion and just running it on my lower lashes a third of the way. So taking Alluring with the same brush and tapping the excess, I'm going to add that a little bit in the outer corner just to give us some definition. And just going back with Passion and a different brush, like a blending brush, and just making sure that you are blending those edges and adding a little bit of Alluring on the bottom. Just in the outer corner right here. Taking Heartbreaker, which is this beautiful gold right here, and I'm going to use my finger. Oh yeah, going to tap it and tapping it on the lid little by little. I do feel a little bit of the fallout going on my face. Using Nightfall, which is this chocolatey brown, but it does have a little bit of iridescence to it. It does also have a black base, I can tell. I'm going to add it just right here in the outer corner again, just to blend the gold shade together and just add a little bit more depth. And using the shade Wild at Heart with a Refer 26 brush, and I'm going to add that to the inner corner and bringing it up. So just going back with Allure again and just making sure that that is on the bottom part. And taking Wild at Heart again, just adding that to the very inner corner on the bottom lashes. All right, so I'm going to curl my lashes. All right, so now adding the mascaras to the lashes. So the shadows did actually have a lot of fallout, so I am going to do my base all over again. So just in case you end up getting this palette, and I will link all the products that I'm using down below in the description area, definitely do your eyes first because it was just too much. There was no way of me like trying to save this base again. So let me just start all over again. So here is a little close-up of the eyes. Can we create this look using another eyeshadow palette? I am 100% sure that you can. However, I really wanted to test the formula as much as I could with one look, and I gotta say that these eyeshadows performed really, really nicely. I do like the way that they built up and blended. So they are really, really easy, especially if you are a beginner, just because they do not apply a lot of pigment right away. So you do have to build it up and go in with little by little, which is really nice, especially again, if you are a beginner, because it's not going to just give you a whole lot of pigment and then you don't know what to do with it. So this palette is super beginner friendly in my opinion. The shadows that I used today really did not give me any problem whatsoever. So I am really pleased with the finished result and the way that the eyeshadows perform based on the ones that I used today. I will definitely create more looks using this palette just so I can get a better understanding of the formula, and I will give you guys my final thoughts in maybe a future video. But I do recommend 100% for you guys to do your eyes first. Don't do your base, because if any of these shimmer shades fall into your face, you will have glitter and shimmer all over your face, and it's just really, really hard to, you know, come back from that. So definitely 100% recommend for you guys to do your eyes first. Is this look pretty basic? Yes, it's definitely pretty basic. There is more shades here that I want to try. Is this color story super unique? Absolutely not. Can you create this look using other palettes? 100% yes, you can. But I wanted to try this shadows again, and I wanted to try Tarte again just because I haven't tried Tarte eyeshadows in such a very long time, and I remember really enjoying their formula. So I am really pleased with the palette, the color story, the way that it's actually have been put together for me. I'm pretty sure that you can find all of these shades again in your collection, especially if you have a bigger collection. But I am really, really happy with the super basic look that we created today. What do you guys think about this palette? Were you interested? Is this something that you wanted to pick up? Was I able to help you just creating this look? Am I telling you yes? Am I telling you no? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.